Mm. Our lips is dry. Oh, thanks God, I have lipstick here. I have lipstick in the car, guys. So, tingnan po a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not really like always on the lipstick, you know, wear lipstick. Just the what you call that one? Color, what you call that one? Chapstick. Yeah, just especially like Victoria's Secret chapstick, colorless, whatever. But once you apply it, make sure lips moist and a little bit have a color on it. At least it's not pale.